Hello everyone, I'm Srimati Rangarajan. This is my GitHub and edX username. I'm from Madurai, India. In this video, I'll be presenting my CS50 Python final project titled Smart Health Tracker. These are the list of contents. The Smart Health Tracker is a Python-based application that helps users monitor their daily health habits. It allows users to record their weight, number of steps walked, water intake, and workout duration. Based on this data, the program calculates the user's BMI and awards XP points for completing the healthy daily goals. This project completely focused on simplicity, clarity, and habit building using Python. The objectives of my project is to track daily health related activities, to calculate BMI, to reward the users with their XP points, to store users' data, and to provide weekly performance summaries. Now I will demonstrate how the program works. The program asks for my weight in kilograms, steps walked, water intake, and workout duration in minutes. I'm entering all sample values. After entering the data, the program calculates my BMI and XP points and stores the information in a JSON file. As you can see, the BMI and XP earned today are displayed clearly. This file stores all the health records including date, weight, steps, water intake, and all points. The project also includes unit tests written using PyTest to test BMI calculation, XP calculation, and weekly summary functionality. Now let me explain the code. The function calculate BMI, it computes the BMI using height and weight. And calculate XP function assigns XP based on daily health goals. And weekly summary function calculates the average number of steps over multiple days. All these functions are defined at the top level and tested separately to ensure reliability. This project helped me strengthen my understanding of Python, file handling, testing, and modular programming. The project also promotes a healthy lifestyle through habit tracking, and also the XP system motivates the user to stay consistent. And the data storage also allows long-term progress tracking. The system is simple, efficient, and user-friendly. And my future work includes graphical data visualization, mobile application support, and personalized health recommendations. Thanks for watching.